Hi guys! So I can see some of y'all are joining in. That's so nice to see all of y'all. Happy Gadar Day. Your Sakina is here. So I'm seeing loads of... Hi Guy, hi. I'm good, how are you? Hi Akash. Thank you for your compliments, Neha. Saying, yes, beautiful in pink. Hi Bhavesh, happy Sakina Chand Day. Hi Rishika, thank you for your beautiful Sakina comment and your lovely painting that went viral everywhere. Oh my god, it's so nice to see all of y'all joining in. Thank you Kumar, thank you for being a big fan of mine. Thank you Amarjeet, thank you for saying looking nice, it's so sweet. Gadar 2, yes, excited. Trending bath, y'all have been posting so much. I can see y'all have joined the chat. There's a Sharik Patel. Hey Sharik. Hi movies watching 100. How are you? So आप सबने इतने सवाल किए थे कल. Y'all had so many nice questions. Everyone wanted to know कि Gadar 1 और Gadar 2 22 years के बाद करने में कितना मजा आया. Thank you Anurag for your best wishes from Patna. It's so lovely to see you. How are you feeling about the audience's response? It's a question and the excitement to see you as Sakina again. Feeling very, very good about the audience's response. By the grace of God, बहुत अच्छा response मिला है so far. And Sakina जो है, as you can see, is my favorite character of my entire career so far. I'm very blessed that मुझे दोबारा ये iconic character play करने को मिला है. I know कि आप सबके दिलों में Sakina इतनी बसी हुई है. And you all are as excited after 22 years to see her again on big screen as Sakina. And your favorite iconic jodi, Satara and Sakina back. Love from Jaipur to you too. I was in your city. Yes, you all have asked me, someone has asked me, is there any song that features me in it? But I think you all have already seen Ujra Kale Kawa, you all have seen Khairiyat, you all have seen Main Nikla Gaddi Leke. So these songs already there. Go on the YouTube, see all of them, go on my Instagram, you all will see they all posted there. Oh wow, you're saying Gadar 2 movie will cross 500 crores, Sunny Party. Oh wow, thank you. Thank you for so many hearts. Rishika, Main Nikla is a big hit. Now, how do you prepare for the energetic dance sequences? Any favorite memories from shooting? Well, Rishika, Main Nikla is, yes, like you're saying, is a very energetic dance number. Very recreated in a very different way from the first one that we did, which was basically Sunny's Tara Singh song, where I told him come on stage and sing for me. And not for me, but to show the world that he's a good singer. I wanted him to get the opportunity. This time it's the family song, and he specifically sung it a lot to his Sakina, romanced her. The whole family has danced to it together, and it's the upgraded version, the Main Nikla 2.0, a chart buster for it to be played at weddings, at nightclubs, at dance discos, everywhere possible. It's a foot tapping number. But let me tell you, we shot it in freezing cold weather in Palampur. जो एनर्जी दिख रही है, जो बेचारे डांसर्स और हम सब नंगे पाव डांस कर रहे थे, इट वॉज रेनिंग, इट वॉज स्नोइंग एट टाइम्स, इट वॉज -4 degrees. So we're looking all happy, but we were really freezing. So that's one trivia that you all asked about Main Nikla. Gadar 3 कब आएगी is another question. I can see King Suraj is also saying Gadar 3 कब बनेगी. अगर आप सब ऑडियंसेस ने गदर 2 को इतना प्यार दिया जितना आप लोगों ने गदर 1 को दिया था, तो उसको सुपर डुपर हिट गदर मचाया और गदर हिट को बनाया, तो देन आई एम श्योर वी विल प्लान गदर 3 वेरी सून. I am saying that Tara Singh is very nice looking. Yes, Tara Singh is very nice looking. He is one of the most handsome men, not only in Bollywood but in our country. और उसकी innocence जो है ना फेस पे, वही उसकी charm है. I always call him हमारे इंडिया के टॉम क्रूज. अक्षत सिंह गदर 1 बहुत अच्छा था. Yes, और गदर 2 भी अच्छी बनी है. Make sure you watch it. जोशिया, गदर 2 के वक्त बहुत अच्छी मूवी है मैम. लव यू टू. थैंक यू मैम. प्लीज रीड इट माई कमेंट. प्लीज आई एम बिगेस्ट फैन ऑफ योर सकीना मैम. शहजादा, आई रेड इट फॉर यू. Which is your favorite song? How's your experience shooting with Sunny Paji? My experience shooting with Sunny Paji, and this question has been on a lot of people, so I won't keep taking all their names, but you all know who all have asked me this question. I think कि हमारी chemistry से आपको पता चलता ही है, on screen chemistry, ऑफ स्क्रीन केमिस्ट्री, जब हम लोग प्रमोशंस भी करते हैं, हमारी नोक झोंक जब हम शोज पे होते हैं, कि हमारी केमिस्ट्री जबरदस्त है. वी आर अ मैजिकल कपल इन रियल लाइफ, एंड इन रियल लाइफ हमारी फ्रेंडशिप का बॉन्ड, हमारे जो फन का बॉन्ड है, वो दिख जाता है. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट शोज ऑन स्क्रीन. सनी पाजी इज अ रियल जेंटलमैन. ही इज अ वेरी एलिगेंट एंड रिस्पेक्टफुल पर्सन. Rishika, 3 words, what would you say about Gadar 2? Magic, magic, magic. So another common set of questions is, what is my fitness regime and how do I look so pretty? Hi from New Zealand, Rowdy Naman. So a lot of people have been asking that. Well, I don't know how. Thank you that you all think I'm pretty. I think beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. And it's lovely that my fans think I'm pretty, but of course that is genetics, that a good looking family has been, blessed. But yes, मैं मेहनत करती हूँ fitness पे. I eat right, I eat a lot, I don't crash diet, I don't have any diet regime. मैं सब खाना खाती हूँ. But yes, drugs, smoking, I stay away from all these things. I've always stayed away from all the toxic substances. Exercise regularly, drink a lot of water, but most importantly, जब दिल साफ हो तो वो चेहरे पे दिख जाता है. And I think that is what you all love me for the most. I've been getting a lot of comments that, ma'am, we see you and there's a childlike quality in you all the time, and even now 22, 23 years later since your debut, we still think you're the same baby. I think I've always got the child in me, and it'll remain in me forever, and I think that's what it shows. Gadar 2 entire cast is awesome. My bread, Tanisha. Yes, Gadar 2 entire cast is awesome. It is super. SRF forever. Happy Friendship Day. Happy Friendship Day to all of you guys. Haziq, I think you should work in Sanjay Leela Bhansali's film after Gadar. Guys, yes, I would love to work in a Sanjay Leela Bhansali film, and a lot of you have been commenting that especially this time's look from Gadar and my promotion outfits and everything, I'm looking like a poster. And thank you for those compliments, that I'm looking like a old world poster from a Sanjay Bhansali film, and a statue and a portrait and a painting, and I've had all these comments, so thank you so much. Please convey your wishes to Sanjay Leela ji yourselves and tell him you all want to see Amisha Patel in his films. Hi Nirmal, hello, how are you? Happy Friendship Day to you, Kunal Boss 305. Thank you Pooja Khera, love you too. Gadar 2 will also be a hit. Thank you guys. Hi Junaid Pathan, how are you? Veera Swami, hi. Madam Ji, Pintu Gandha, Madam Ji, hi. Happy Friendship Day to you too, Dinesh Kohli. मैम जाओ जयपुर आज प्लीज आ जाओ. अरे हम लोग आ तो गए थे. So another set of questions that I've had is सकीना में क्या changes है गदर 1 और गदर 2 में लेके. सकीना वही अपनी खूबसूरत डिग्निफाइड कभी चुलबुली कभी स्ट्रॉन्ग सकीना है जो अपने तारा सिंह की दीवानी है, जो एक बहुत अच्छी माँ है, एक बहुत अच्छी पत्नी है और संस्कारी है. But in this you will see a more seasoned Sakina that we had to work on because of course ये Sakina का दूसरा chapter है life में. जो आप लोगों ने गदर 1 में देखा था, that was Sakina's courtship period with her husband Tara, the start of the love story, the struggle to stay together when they were almost taken apart by Ashraf Ali and Pakistan. And Tara fought against his life to bring his wife and child together, and that family bonding was always there. And this is chapter 2.0, unki kahani, family ki kahani taken forward. But Sakina is very respectful. She's still the most dignified character. She's still the most lovable character. And she always, in the face of adversity, always has a smile and inner strength in herself. आप लोग पूछ रहे हो कि क्या इस बार सकीना पाकिस्तान जाएगी, तो इस बारे में मैं आपको कुछ नहीं बता सकती. अगस्त 11 दूर नहीं है. थिएटर में आग लगाने वाली है गदर. आप जाके आग लगाओ, गदर 2 को देखो और कहानी खुद जान जाओ. कौन कहाँ जा रहा है, कौन क्या कर रहा है, ये आप लोगों को अगस्त 11 को पता चलेगा. कहानी बताइए. Can't wait to see you on the big screen, Elena. Can't wait for you to see me too. Ijaz, I'm waiting. We are waiting too. Rowdy Raman, Madam, please Gadar 2, where's your next? How excited are you for the release? Alex has asked me. Of course, we are all excited for the release, as excited as all of you all are. 22 साल बाद आप लोगों के कहने पे गदर आ रही है वापस स्क्रीनों पे एक नई कहानी को लेके. Oh, I can see someone saying I'm very jealous of Tara Singh. That's very cute. But Tara Singh is my screen hero. I'm still single, so no need to be jealous. Hi. Yes, Hindustan Zindabad. Umesh Zindabad tha, Zindabad hai, Zindabad rahega. Yogesh has sent a request to be in your live video, but you are here. We are viewing your request. Like a lot of you all have said, how is my bond with Sunny Ji on the set? Yes, you're right. Trending Baat Gadar 2 is not only a movie, it is a festival. Ek tyohar hai, Trending Baat. You're absolutely right. Z should cast me and Ritik together. Z वाले सुन रहे हो? कहो ना प्यार है आपका से आपका फैन हूँ मनीष. थैंक यू मनीष, थैंक यू. जी की फिल्म नहीं थी कहो ना प्यार है, ये आपको राकेश रोशन जी को बोलना पड़ेगा. उनको टाई अप करने के लिए जी के साथ फॉर कहो ना प्यार है पार्ट 2. हाय वीरेंद्र, थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग अ फैन. कुमार सेन गदर 2 में हैंड पंप का पावरफुल सीन दिखने मिलेगा क्या? अगस्त 11 को आ रही है. हम लोग ने एक क्लू तो दिया है हमारे ट्रेलर के एंड में. सनी जी हैंड पंप को देख रहे हैं, क्या करते हो उसके साथ. गो वॉच इट ऑन अगस्त 11 गाइज. यस जतिन, हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद. हाय वर्मा, हेलो हाय. सनी जी सर कहाँ है? डगर इज आस्किंग. सनी जी अपने कुछ प्रमोशंस कर रहे हैं. वेरी सून आई विल बी विथ हिम. यू ऑल विल सी अस टुगेदर. So Sunny Ji is doing his own things for Gadar 2. Manish is saying I'm waiting for Gadar 2. Thank you Manish so much. Please do watch it August 11th. Yes, release Sakina poster. Aryan, very soon a surprise for you Aryan. Sakina poster ko leke. I know a lot of people have been since the campaign started asking for Sakina's poster. And I think Z is kind enough to listen to your request. Wait for a surprise very, very soon. Hi Avinash. Madam Ji, you're saying like Tara Singh mujhe bulate hain. Hi guys. Ma'am, can you tell us when Sakina's poster will come? Manish, another question for Sakina's poster. Very soon on the way. I have made my own story on Insta and I will promote your picture on my story. Virendra Singh. Thank you Virendra. Please do promote. Oh, I am Vicky. Gadar 2 blockbuster hai. Thank you for your good wishes Vicky. That's super awesome. Guys, you all are pouring in so much love. We want Kaho Na Pyar Hai too. Rishika, yes, absolutely. Sakina ma'am, love you from Kotrichan Letin. Thank you, thank you. गदर 2 के फेवरेट मोमेंट मुझे बता रहे कि लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर आस्किंग मी कि गदर 2 पे फेवरेट मोमेंट क्या है. एक मोमेंट चूज करना बहुत मुश्किल है गाइस, बिकॉज एवरी मोमेंट ऑन द सेट वाज सो ब्यूटिफुल. इट हैज नॉट बिन एन ईजी शूट. गदर जैसी फिल्में ईजी नहीं होती. We've had to have difficult shooting conditions, creative discussions, creative arguments, because everyone has been so passionately involved in the project. But every moment has been memorable, like other one was, and I think you all will see that on the screen on August 11th onwards, how special the film was. Love Rathor, I love you Sakina ma'am, love you too Rathor, thank you. And Vikas is saying hi madam ji. मैं निकला गड्डी लेके ओरजा काले कावा, which is your favorite song? That question again has come to me very often. Very difficult to answer that question क्योंकि दोनों ओरजा काले कावा and मैं निकला are like the national anthem. Like Titanic का theme song था, ओरजा काले कावा is the theme song of Gadar. Gadar can never be complete without Urja Kale Kawa, because her situation, happy, sad, shadi, separation, unity, togetherness, hamesha Urja Kale Kawa aa jati hai. And I think that's very, very important. And Main Nikla, of course, is a chart topper. So both are my favorites. Mera favorite song, Musafir Jaane Wale, one of the fans. Yes, it's a beautiful song. One word for Sakina, army. Sakina's army is the best army, and it's as strong as the Indian army for Sakina. Thank you guys. So yes guys, now we're about to end the live session. Thank you everyone for joining in. It has been a fabulous love you too Harshit, love you, and thank you to all my fans. Love you guys. August 11th catch Gadar in the cinemas. Gadar 2 को फिर से गदर बना देना. Thank you guys, love you, and thank you for joining the live. Bye.